I made this talking avatar with AI. Let's hear what she has to say.
Oh, don't tell anyone. Alma turned me from a flat image into this talking masterpiece. Want to learn the trick? It won't cost you a dime.
Pick one picture right now, any picture, and imagine it speaking the exact words that you want it to say. Clear, natural, and timed perfectly your message. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to write a perfect script in ChatGPT, then turn that text into a talking lip-synced avatar or image. No microphone, no acting, just text, image, and 2 tools. So watch closely to the end so you can learn the step-by-step on how you can create similar talking avatars for your faceless channel. First thing first, head on to ChatGPT to write your prompt. For this tutorial, this is the prompt I'll be using. It says, generate an image of a cheerful 3D cartoon woman wearing a long multicolored crochet dress with zigzag patterns in pink, blue, and yellow. She also wears a matching crochet head wrap and round glasses. The woman is seated in a cozy egg-shaped hanging chair outdoors with soft cushion and string lights in the background. She has a medium dark skin, long wavy black hair, and a stylish, confident, friendly look. Pizza inspired, cinematic lighting, and high detail. And ChatGPT generated this image for me. Can you see that? So beautiful. Next thing you have to do is to click on the image and save it to your gallery. Now it's time to animate your image. Go to Google Play Store and download Dreamface app. There are various things you can do with this app. You can generate your own AI images, you can turn your images to videos, or even make your images talk or sing. But for this tutorial, we'll be using image to video. So once you click on it, wait for it to load and add the image we've generated from ChatGPT. If you have your personal image, you can add there, but for this tutorial, we'll be using the image we generated from ChatGPT, okay? Next is to describe what you want your image to do. So this is what I want my video to do. After that, go down to setting and set the duration and resolution of your video. Click on confirm and wait for your video to be animated. And now our video can move. Can you see that? But we are not done yet. We have to lip sync this video. That is, we need to make this AI generated image to say exactly what we want and make sure that the lip syncs with the words that we want it to say. To do this, click on lip sync. Now it's time to type exactly what you want your picture or your image to say. Click here. Now if you want to use AI voice for your video, you can type in or paste your script here. But if you want to use your own voice for the video, you can record by going to the record section to record your voice. Also, if you have an already recorded voice in your device, you can import that voice for AI to use. For this tutorial, I want to use the AI voice. So I'm going to type in my script. Choose your preferred AI voice. Click on animate. Wait for the video to lip sync. And this is the final result.
Don't tell anyone. Alma turned me from a flat image into this talking masterpiece. Want to learn the trick? It won't cost you a dime.